Well, more pipe. And one of the same bushwhack for me. Come on, so far I'm wondering if it's going to a spring or just one of these side creek drainages where they might have a little diverter dam. This was a major undertaking for somebody back in the day. This is the part where I have to get down and crawl. Okay, coming up on a ravine. This would be a logical place to put a little dam. All kinds of pipe around here. Wow. Oh, it just keeps right on going. So, yeah. And there's two lengths. Kind of speaks to the fact that it's been repaired over the years. Wow. Okay, well, this is just too much fun. I'm going to shut this off so I can pay attention to my scrambling.